Adding a zestful touch. Spice up your English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a flavorful expression in the English language. Add a zestful touch. This phrase is as vibrant and energetic as it sounds, and we're here to unpack its meaning, usage, and how it can add some spice to your English conversations. Stay tuned as we explore how this expression can make your language more lively and engaging. First things first, let's break down the phrase, add a zestful touch, into two parts, zestful and touch. Zestful is an adjective that describes something full of energy, enthusiasm, or flavor. It's often used to talk about food, but it can also describe personalities, activities, or anything that has a lively or spirited quality. Touch in this context refers to a small but significant addition or influence on something. When combined, add a zestful touch means to enhance something by adding a bit of energy, enthusiasm, or a lively element to it. It's about making something more interesting, exciting, or flavorful with just a small change or addition. To help you understand how to use this expression, let's look at some examples in different contexts. 1. In cooking, adding a squeeze of lemon juice can add a zestful touch to a simple grilled fish, elevating its flavor. 2. In writing, using vivid adjectives can add a zestful touch to your stories, making them more engaging for the reader. 3. In decorating, incorporating bright, colorful pillows into a room's decor can add a zestful touch and make the space more inviting. 4. In personal style, a vibrant scarf or a unique piece of jewelry can add a zestful touch to an otherwise plain outfit. You might wonder, why bother using this phrase at all? Well, add a zestful touch is more than just a way to talk about making things better. It's a creative expression that conveys the idea of enhancement in a vivid and memorable way. It encourages us to think about how small changes can have a big impact, whether in language, cooking, or any aspect of life. Using such expressions makes your English more colorful and expressive. It shows that you have a command of the language beyond the basics, allowing you to connect with others more creatively and dynamically. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the expression, add a zestful touch. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's also about expression and creativity. By incorporating phrases like this into your English, you're not just speaking. You're painting with words, adding color and life to your conversations. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to practice using add a zestful touch in your own sentences. Until next time, keep exploring the richness of the English language and making your conversations zestful.